Yo, real quick, Marco from Digital Dash. I gotta do another breakdown on what's going on today because this is just incredible. Just seeing how the market moves when I actually get a day to sit here and look at the market. Getting right into it though, I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute just so we can see what happened as we came into this level of resistance. Here's some context for you guys. Massive level of resistance, supply zone, all of that. We came into it earlier today. I'll just move this point. I didn't stop trading. I mean, we came into that zone, slowed down when we got around the zone. 5 minute, of course, we came into the zone, started consolidating. This is where we're building that liquidity. Of course, you know you got to build the liquidity before a move can happen, and that's exactly what we saw. Low volume all throughout this. This is like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And we knew power hour, getting closer to power hour, we can get a move. But anyway, on the 1 minute is where I mostly saw everything. Right, consolidating. At this level, of course, you see the levels get created. So this was the level I saw get created, this 43.21 area. Saw it get ran. So boom, once we saw it get ran, I entered for I entered somewhere. I just had it in here. I entered, saw it get ran, entered above the candles when we saw volume come in. So enter somewhere around here, and saw volume come in and push up, and that was our target. It was only one and a quarter points, but it was a great example of just seeing that liquidity get run again. We didn't have a crazy target because we were targeting these highs over here. So once we got it, we hopped out, and then I saw this coming in. So I'm thinking this just got ran and it was that, but no. What the key I want to point out is this zone, this demand zone here, that was created from that push to take out these highs, right? So this becomes the new level to watch because the zone was created now, right? An imbalance was created. So now that's a zone to watch. We're not watching like a key level wicks or anything. Liquidity got taken. We want to see if this level can hold now before we buy, and if it doesn't hold, break before you short. So this becomes the new level. So if supply or demand forms after liquidity, then that's the new level to watch. In this case, on the 1 minute, price came down, buyers defended and held, and then that's all she wrote pretty much. Then you could take your entry above this candle, wherever you see volume come in, could take your entry anywhere at this point with your risk below the zone. Nice tight risk if you got anywhere close to the zone. This is still a pretty small area. We're on the 1 minute chart, but bro, this thing started ripping as power hour begins. Here is 248. This thing just started going. It's going. Nasdaq was running, tech was running, so this thing is just going. But this is a very just a small example of just what you see. I would just short this. In the past, I would short this a million times, seeing that we're at supply. I'm thinking we're just going to turn around, but price leaves small clues when there's not enough volume and there's not enough liquidity in the market when it wants to make a move. It has to do things like this, right? So it took it out and then ran those highs. And of course, the people like me who thought selling was about to happen, just another area for them to get trapped. So it was a bunch of selling that took place here, a bunch of selling that took place here, but that was right into where the buyers, and in this case, where the banks wanted to buy it, because look at this huge move that followed them. So that selling didn't do anything but bait those sellers right into the trap of those banks that wanted to buy. And right after that joint ran. So just really interesting to see. Crazy to see, bro. Honestly, crazy to see. I had to stop and make a video about it. Just one that was simple, quick, and precise, because this is exactly liquidity at play. Taking those sellers and using them to fuel the market higher. So if you guys liked, if you guys learned anything, make sure you leave a like, make sure you leave a sub for more videos like this, because these are videos that I just make for myself so I can go back and reference them. This is a great example for myself, so I'm definitely going to be watching this one back. So if you guys are interested in more videos like that, then make sure you leave a like, hit the bell icon so you're always notified when I post again. I'll catch y'all in the next one.